Welcome to BigDataRevealed's revealing of its reading of OCR documents. Now let us show you how we set up a discovery job that we request to search for patterns in the OCR documents that match those of emails, social security numbers and the name Avery. BigDataRevealed allows the user to select from its delivered library of hundreds of pattern searches for personal data while allowing the user to add as many of their own patterns or values to be searched in its collaborative library, so at any time anyone else may select and use these new pattern or value searches. Here we can see we have a scanned OCR, PNG file that is oriented in a proper horizontal readable format. And here is a second OCR document that is oriented horizontal and normally would have to be rescanned to be able to be read, but BigDataRevealed detects the misorientation, changes it, hence now allowing the OCR document to be properly searched for personal data. Here we can see the value Avery is in the OCR document. Now we will set up the discovery run and select email and social security and search for that value Avery we said earlier existed in the OCR document. We will see that the results of the two files are the same when we look at the results of the personal data search process with BigDataRevealed's executive summary and data scientist graphical interface. We will also see as I describe some of the key points of BigDataRevealed's OCR document processing we found Avery and social security numbers and emails and can drill into this information and store metadata collaboratively. BigDataRevealed discovery process is for the purpose of finding citizens, customers, and companies' personal information too. 1. Document and metadata catalogs the locations of the files containing personal information and what personal information these files contain. 2. BigDataRevealed uses this information to assist you in the delivery of a data protection impact assessment that is usually required as part of the EU GDPR. 3. BigDataRevealed also uses this information to remediate via sophisticated encryption and sequestration of this personal data to keep it safe when the hackers penetrate your company's firewalls and cybersecurity. 4. BigDataRevealed processes and treats OCR documents or files pretty much the same as it processes structured data and other forms of data after it pulls the data from the OCR document. As you see, we not only were able to read the searched for patterns of personal data and bring back that data as well as the data for the value we searched for, we also derived and calculated metadata and other statistics from the OCR documents the same we do from any other data types. The metadata catalog information on the personal data has been stored and we will see that later. We do have the opportunity, if this OCR data is to stay in Hadoop or Amazon's AWS S3, to sequester this data into secure encrypted zones or areas. Now for those that are following our methodology architecture of using AWS S3 or Hadoop as a central repository for all your company's data assets, that would include mainframes, server databases like Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, data warehouse databases like Teradata, Outlook PST files, PDF files, other Office files, PC files, third-party files, IoT feeds, and numerous other formats of data. If this methodology and architecture is not followed, we do not believe that GDPR nor other regulatory regulations can be accomplished accurately. What you are about to see is key to this process, and methodology for this metadata catalogs need to be passed back to your legacy systems and integrated into other metadata solutions you have or used on its own to know what files and columns and locations the personal information resides that needs to be remediated and most likely encrypted. As you can see, the metadata catalog stores the file name, location, column name, row, either the type of personal data found such as email or social security, or the specific value or values searched for. BigDataRevealed stores these metadata catalogs for all its regulatory processing. BigDataRevealed will have a second major showing in the upcoming weeks of its facial and object recognition for use in the GDPR right of erasure and other such uses as monitoring video feeds at rest or even live streaming video feeds along with pictures, anything from a lost or missing child to a stolen government briefcase. For information on a free trial of the complete BigDataRevealed product suite or APIs and graphical interface including the OCR and point of sale impact assessment offerings, reach Stephen Meister at 847-440-4439 or email at steven@gdprcompliancemaster.com.